Hey guys, this time I want to show you a little bit about Kubuntu NetBook Remix. So it looks like this. Just gonna capture the screen right here, and you see the nice effect we got when we slide through the applications. In Office we got Open Office, K Address Book, Organizer, K Time Tracker. So we'll go back. In Utilities, K Mouse Tool, a Conadi tray. We got all kinds of applications. So let's see in games what we got there. Got a few games here. Sudoku. In multimedia we got Dragon something and K-Mix and Amarok. So we'll take this K-Mix and we'll see how we can use this K-Mix in some way. Okay, so we'll go home and go to internet, and we have a lot of applications. Network connection, network aggregator, K-mail, K-Bluetooth, Mozilla Firefox, and some hardware and cookies. So we got a lot of stuff there. In system we got, let's see, system bill, system settings, a lot of applications, console or console or what you want to call it, K-Rant tray, power management, try that one. Okay, we'll take a look at this, something to play around with. Okay, so let's go back home, and that's pretty much the applications we've got. We've got this in the corner, the search, where you can search here for files or applications, and we've got some internet connections and sound device, newspaper. So yeah, let's see, graphics. We got DNG converter, snapshot, K snapshot, G WinView, GNG G converter. Let's try that one. Okay, I actually don't know what this is, so you KDE people, you know this. Okay, we'll try to install Ubuntu, or Kubuntu, sorry. Just click on that and wait a few seconds. So this is the netbook version, the netbook remix. La 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 la. Okay, this is Kubuntu NetBook edition 9.10, yada yada yada. So we'll press forward and we'll wait. And as you all know, this is KDE. I think I forgot to mention that. But yeah, this is KDE. So I want to set the language, and I want to set that to Danish. I'll just keep it in English. Yeah, keep it in English. And forward again. And we'll wait a few seconds. Once again. and it's setting up something, the time zone. I'll set it here to Denmark. Denmark is very small, so right there, Danish time. Okay, and forward again. By selecting the time, you just click on the area where you live. So someplace in USA it's here, in Europe there. This takes some time. Just have to wait a few seconds, or maybe minutes, I don't know. But also, if you live on Greenland, just click here. It don't seem to come anywhere. Okay, but you got to set your disk setup and user info and summary, and you gotta press install. So this is very easy. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to rate, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.